Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx, and in today's video we'll be checking out a free virtual instrument that I believe you're going to like. It is called Reiya and it is by NN Audio. But one thing you must have in mind is this virtual instrument is only available for a limited time, though it wasn't clearly stated on the official website for how long it will be available for free. So if you're interested to have this virtual instrument, the link will be in the description. With that being said, guys, let's dive in and check the features and the sounds. As you can see, we have Reiya. Looking at the UI, it's a nice one, very appealing. Now, the first thing I observed is you can see they have 1, 2, 3, 4 different layers in this plugin. And above here is the pan knob. To the far right is the volume knob. And here is to activate, I think, the EQ section. And as you can see, list of presets from the patch you selected. As you can see, it's on bass, and that's what you're seeing. And once you change it, it changes as well. All right. Now, that's the first thing I discovered on the first layer. And below is the layer 1 gain knob, pan knob, transpose knob, detune knob. And below it is attack, hold, decay, sustain, and release. Then right under it is another layer, layer 3, which is the same thing happening with the layer 1, just the same, okay? And to the far right here is the EQ section, and the same thing, and they are all the same throughout the 4 channels, okay? Now, after that, below here, you can see the dimension, see the dimension main control knob, gain LFO tempo dimension, mix, pan, and right below here you can see tooltip, where when you hover your mouse over any knob or feature, it tells you what it is. And here they have the dimension, the main knob, gain LFO tempo dimension, gain LFO mix dimension, pan LFO tempo dimension, pan LFO mix dimension. And this next section is the high pass filter for this dimension section. The next is the low end gain, followed by high end gain and the high pass. And right after that, you can see space and time. This is the main knob. To control that, you can see the decay left and right, the rates. You can see the gain LFO tempo space, pan LFO tempo space, gain LFO mix space, and pan LFO space. Just the same thing happening on the left side. So in the demo, we can now hear what all these features are adding to the sound. So let's go through the factory presets now. Alright, as you can see, they have a whole lot of factory presets you can check out. And also to add, when you download this for the first time, make sure to download the samples. There is another file called Reiya sample archive. Make sure you download it, extract it, put it in a folder because it will ask for it when you launch the plugin for the first time. So all you need to do is to upload that and the instrument will be loaded. So you had everything. And like I said earlier, I'll be leaving the link in the description. Try it out and let us know what you think. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please leave a like, share your thoughts, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so that when next I upload videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And like always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.